In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to file for an extension of state taxes using Turbotax. Whether you're feeling a little pressed for time or just need that extra breathing room to gather your documents, I'll guide you through the process step by step. So let's dive right in and make sure you're all set to extend your filing deadline smoothly. First, we need to head over to the official Turbotax website. You can easily find it by searching TurboTax in your preferred search engine, or simply entering turbotax.intuit.com into your web browser. Once you've arrived on the homepage, look toward the top right of the screen for the Sign In option. Click on it and enter your login details to access your TurboTax account. If you've forgotten your username or password, there are recovery options available to help you get back on track. After you've successfully logged in, you'll find yourself at the TurboTax home. This is your central hub for managing your tax returns and extensions. Now what you'll need to do is click on the 2024 taxes option. This selection will guide you to your current tax year filing options, leading us to the tools needed for an extension. Next, explore the Tax Tools option on the left-hand side of the screen. It's your gateway to the various helpful features that TurboTax offers. Under Tax Tools, you'll see the option labeled Tools. Go ahead and click on that. Within the Tools section, you'll want to select Tools Center. This is where TurboTax organizes all the nifty features you can use to manage your taxes more effectively. And from here, it's just a few simple clicks to file your extension. Look for the File an Extension button in the Tools Center and click on it. This choice will prepare the necessary documentation for extending your state tax filing period. After selecting this option, you'll be prompted to click Continue. This step ensures that your request is acknowledged and processed correctly. You'll need to click Continue once more, following the prompts provided by TurboTax. It's important to carefully review the information on each screen to ensure accuracy, and there you have it. You've successfully requested an extension for your state taxes using TurboTax. It's always a good idea to keep an eye out for any confirmation emails or notifications from your state tax agency, just to make sure everything is in place. By following these steps, you've given yourself more time to properly prepare your tax documentation. Remember, filing an extension doesn't delay paying any taxes you may owe, so be sure to settle any outstanding payments by the original due date. Thanks for watching, and now you can file with confidence knowing you have a bit more breathing room.